If you need to delete a Beehiiv newsletter, I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can do it safely and confidently. Before we begin, just know that deleting a publication is permanent, so make sure you really want to remove it before you confirm. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Beehiiv account using the correct workspace that contains the newsletter you want to remove. Once you're inside the dashboard, look down to the bottom left corner and click Settings. This is where Beehiiv keeps your workspace level controls and publication management options. After that, under Workspace Settings, click Overview. On this page, scroll down until you find the All Publications section. This area shows every newsletter or publication connected to your account, so take a moment to locate the exact one you want to delete. Make sure you choose carefully, especially if you manage more than one publication, because the deletion process cannot be undone. When you've found the right newsletter, click the three dots menu next to the publication. This opens a list of actions for that specific newsletter. From the menu, select Delete. Beehiiv will now display a warning message to make sure you understand what happens next. Read that message carefully because it usually reminds you that deleting the publication will permanently remove it from your workspace. If you're absolutely sure, type the exact name of the publication into the confirmation field. This step is required to prove that you intentionally want to delete that newsletter. After entering the name exactly as shown, click Delete. Beehiiv will then process the request, and it may take a few moments for the removal to complete. Once the system finishes, refresh the page to make sure the changes have fully updated. Finally, verify that the publication no longer appears in your publications list. If it's gone, that means the newsletter has been successfully deleted. And that's it. You've now learned how to delete a Beehiiv newsletter step by step. If this video saved you time, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial.